Have you ever typed a question into ChatGPT or Gemini and gotten back a wall of text that was too generic, or an answer that completely missed what you needed? That is not the AI being difficult. That is what happens when the prompt is vague. A prompt is the message you give to an AI, and it is the single most powerful thing you control when working with these tools. Today, you will learn exactly what a prompt is, why it matters so much, and how to write prompts that get you exactly what you need. No advanced coding experience is required. By the end, you will also see a simple Python demo showing how prompts work under the hood, the same way ChatGPT and Gemini work. Let us get started. A prompt is simply the text you send to an AI, your question, instruction, or request, written in plain English. The AI has no memory, no background knowledge about you, and no context beyond what you write. Your prompt is everything it sees. Think of it like texting a very knowledgeable friend. The clearer and more specific your message, the more useful their reply. Every response the AI gives is entirely based on your prompt. Change the prompt, change the response. You do not need any special language or code to write a good prompt. Plain English works perfectly. This is both the beauty and the responsibility of working with AI. You are always in the driver's seat. The prompt is not just a text box, it is the steering wheel. And once you learn how to steer, you are in complete control of what the AI gives you. When you send a prompt, the AI reads every word you wrote and predicts the most helpful response based on that exact input. Nothing more, nothing less. A vague prompt gives the AI too many possible directions. It picks a general one that probably misses what you actually needed. A specific prompt narrows the AI's focus. It knows the topic, the format you want, and who you are. Adding your experience level to a prompt changes the entire vocabulary and depth of the response. Telling the AI the format you want, two sentences, a bullet list, a step by step guide, means you always get back exactly what you can use. Every word you include in a prompt is a signal the AI will follow. Every word you leave out is a gap the AI has to guess at. Precision is your superpower here. The better you describe what you want, the closer the AI gets to delivering it on the very first try. Let us walk through exactly what happens the moment you press send. Step 1. You write the prompt. This is the only step you control, and it is the most important one. Everything that follows depends on what you put here. Step 2. AI reads every single word. There is no reading between the lines. If you did not write it, the AI does not know it. It is not making assumptions about you. It is working only from your text. Step 3. AI predicts the best response based on your exact input. Vague in, vague out, specific in, specific out. The AI is essentially choosing the most likely helpful continuation of what you wrote. Step 4. Response arrives, shaped entirely by how well you wrote your prompt. This is why the prompt matters so much. The AI has no memory and no guesswork. It only works from exactly what you wrote. Both of these prompts are about the exact same subject, Python, but they produce completely different responses. On the left is the poor prompt, just three words. Tell me about Python. The AI has no idea what level you are at. It does not know which aspect of Python you care about. The response will be long, generic, and overwhelming, and you will need several follow up questions to get what you actually wanted. On the right is the good prompt. Explain Python for loops in two sentences. I am a complete beginner. You told the AI your experience level, you named the specific topic, you specified the format you want. The response will be short, clear, and exactly right for where you are. The poor prompt leaves every decision to the AI level, depth, format, focus. The AI guesses, usually badly. The good prompt closes every gap. Every word you add to a prompt is an instruction the AI will follow. You are in control. Use it. Now, let us see this in real Python code. First, connect to the OpenAI API. The OpenAI client automatically reads your API key from an environment variable called OpenAI API key. You set this once and never type your key into code. This is the exact same connection ChatGPT uses internally. Second, we send the vague prompt. The messages list is how you talk to the API. The role user means the message is coming from you. The content is just three words. Tell me about Python. The AI has no idea what you want. Are you a beginner or an expert? Do you want a definition, a tutorial, or a comparison? Without guidance, it will guess and cover everything. Third, we print the response. Look at what comes back. It is long and generic. The AI covered history, use cases, and features because it had no other guidance. This is the direct cost of a vague prompt, technically correct, practically useless for your specific need. Now, watch what happens when we make one change. Same API, same model, nothing changed about the connection or the cost. The only thing we are changing is the content of the prompt. That is the entire lesson in one comparison. Next, we write a prompt with three clear improvements. It names the specific topic for loops, not all of Python. It declares your level, complete beginner, which changes the vocabulary the AI uses, and it asks for a format and style, two sentences, and a simple analogy. The AI now has everything it needs. Finally, see how focused the response is now. Two sentences, a clear analogy, beginner level language, no history, no overwhelming detail. Look at that. The AI followed every single instruction you gave it. Topic, length, level, style, all delivered. Same model, better prompt, night and day difference. This is the direct, measurable power of writing a better prompt. Every good prompt has four elements, and each one costs you just a few extra words. The first is topic. Be specific about exactly what you want to know. Not Python, but Python for loops. The narrower the topic, the more useful the answer. The second is level. Always tell the AI your experience level. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert completely changes the vocabulary, the depth, and the examples the AI chooses. The third is format. Tell the AI what you want back. Two sentences, a bullet list, a step by step guide, a table. The AI will follow your format instruction precisely every single time. The fourth is context. Give the AI the background it needs, what you are trying to do, what you already know, what style you prefer. Context is the secret ingredient that makes a good prompt great. Each of these elements costs 2 to 5 extra words in your prompt but saves 3 to 4 follow up questions. Add all four, and you will almost always get exactly what you need on the very first try. Let us bring it all together. A prompt is the message you send to an AI. It is the only information the AI has about what you want, so every word you include or leave out shapes the response you receive. Vague prompts produce generic, hard to use answers, not because the AI is limited, but because you gave it too many possible directions to go in. A good prompt includes four elements: a specific topic, your experience level, the format you want, and any context that helps the AI focus. We saw that the exact same model and API produced completely different answers when only the prompt changed. The prompt is your most powerful tool. You can start writing better prompts right now in ChatGPT or Gemini, no coding required. Just add your level, your format, and your context. Open ChatGPT or Gemini right now and rewrite one of your recent prompts using all four elements: topic, level, format, and context. You will notice the difference immediately. In the next lesson, we go deeper. You will learn about the system prompt, which lets you give the AI a permanent set of rules and a personality that applies to every single message in your conversation.